Today I am pleased to introduce the GT4 racking system manufactured by Xiamen HQ Mount. This ground mounting solution offers a versatile tilt angle ranging from 0 to 60 degrees, allowing for optimal positioning of solar panels. Whether arranged in columns or rows and in portrait or landscape orientation, this system accommodates various installation preferences. It can also be installed on terrains with slopes of up to 60 degrees, thanks to its reliable pile foundation. Ease of installation is a key feature of this system, ensuring a hassle-free setup process. This product is renowned for its strength and impressive corrosion resistance, guaranteeing long-lasting durability. It can withstand significant loads with a snow load capacity of 150 centimeters and a wind load resistance of up to 80 meters per second. To ensure its robustness, the system is crafted using high-quality aluminium and stainless steel for its structural components and small parts. As a testament to the product's quality, we offer a 12-year warranty on the materials. Each GT4 unit undergoes rigorous testing and inspection by our technical team, ensuring its compliance with industry standards. We conduct accurate pull-up tests and use third-party testers to guarantee the longevity and reliability of our products. Xiamen HQ Mount, located in China, has been a leading manufacturer in the solar mounting industry for over a decade. We focus on innovation, quality, and convenience of use.